Wait, stop staring at me. My brother is here with me. We're just going on a hike. So it'll just be us. Let me do this again. Hello, Reach Club. We are on a hike with my brother, Alex. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, so we're just going on a hike today. Cool. This is so pretty through here. Hope the sun's, oh, it's so pretty. Alex, I figured you wouldn't want to hang out with me.
I wonder why.
I didn't finish the joke in my head, okay? I just saw the fig tree and I was like, I need to make a pun. I'm just going to end up like, most of this vlog is going to be like footage of the nice scenery.
I mean, that's fair, like, it is a pretty walk.
Yeah, and the sun, I love the sun coming through the trees. And half of the vlog is going to be me puffing into the mic. Oh God. You know what? This is like a POV for like tall people though, to see how short people see.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, do you want to hand it to me?
You're not that much.
There we
Shut,
go.
he's holding it above his head. He's holding it above his head. He's such a liar.
He is so short.
Rude.
What are you, 4 foot?
No.
Okay, so 4'2".
No. God. We just found these little like, what are they? Oh, maybe I shouldn't be touching random plants.
No, these are highly poisonous. They
Stop.
If a single needle gets into your bloodstream, you're dead. You won't be able to walk back to the end of the trail.
Shut up.
I don't know why they haven't been uprooted yet. They're so dangerous.
They're like the Grinch's fingers.
They're all the way over there. The whole line of them.
Where? Oh, we just walked past a bunch and I didn't see them. No, but this is the special one. Yeah.
Oh, the koala. Up there.
Wait, koala?
Yeah, in the tree.
Oh, chunky boy. Ah.
Good baby.
Sorry, chat. I'm trying to zoom in for you. He just looks like a blob of darkness.
It is a blob.
And here is his butt. Bubble, bubble, butt. Bubble, bubble, butt. Oh my God, the footage is so shaky. I don't think I can use that. Okay, there is his butt. Okay. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's singing to us.
It's hungry.
It's hungry. The mating call is so gross. It stopped now.
It wants to eat you.
No!
Run away!
You know what's funny? I have legs, chat.
You have legs?
Oh my God, I have legs.
They're very short legs, but...
No, they're not. I have a short torso.
You have a short everything.
Oh my God. I'll fuck you up.
Help, I'm being assaulted. By a dwarf.
Buddy! You didn't get it?
I almost got it.
He was so cute. Thumper, come back.
Thumper.
Thumper.
Oh. Have you told that story before?
No.
Oh. Maybe we need to hear it. It's going again.
Still going.
It's still going.
Look, it's a koala. What are we naming him?
Fred.
Fred? No. I name everything Fred.
Oh,
What about William the Wise or something?
something. Also, I am so shaky.
Yeah, oh no.
Wow.
Maybe stay more zoomed out.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
I was saying, not that they're always directly above the path for any unwary walker by.
Have no fear. Anna's here.
Oh no, it's dead. Oh. Little Katniss everything over here.
Ew, no. I hate the Hunger Games.
I don't blame you.
Yes. You. This won't make it in. You shall not pass.
So stupid.
That won't make it in.
I was more thinking old man with a walking stick.
Oh, would you are? Anyways,
Oh, the light. Oh.
I'll fuck you up. How dare you insult me like this? I
What?
scared.
Are you protecting us from all the koalas and kangaroos out here? Oh. How am I related to you? Like, honestly. I feel so disappointed. More than our parents did when you were born. Ah!
Double attack.
God, you fight better than you do in Siege.
What?
You fight better than you do in Siege.
I'm walking alone.
Alright. Hey, don't you need your walking stick? I don't want your bones to break. You're so old and frail.
Alex, find me a 4-leaf clover. You didn't see that?
You don't see any of this. Four-leaf clover.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's not focusing.
So lucky.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Fucking nice.
Nice.
It's not the same size.
Shh, shh, shh. Didn't see anything.
Yep, we keep moving.
I can get you a 2-leaf clover. See, I'm actually proud of you. For once, you're actually doing exercise. You're not just sitting around losing at Siege.
Oh my god, that's your only insult today. Is me losing at Siege.
Well, what other games do you play? None.
I played Sea of Thieves last night.
Okay, you suck at Sea of Thieves.
I do actually.
Well, you suck at every game. But...
I used to be good. Just insulting my gameplay. That's all you've got.
Well, that's all you have.
God.
Man, it's you and your gaming career.
He's waited all.
I've been trying to find a piece of shit other than Anne, and I can't find it.
Why is it mean? I was just complaining to Alex that we haven't seen any kangaroos, and usually there's like, we would have seen like minimum 5 kangaroos by now. He's making faces behind the camera. I should put the camera on you. Oh my god, stop. They might be able to see you in my reflection. Nah, I can't see you in the reflection. Stop. He's like right behind the camera. Okay, I'm moving away. We haven't seen any kangaroos and I'm really upset. I keep complaining about it. Ah! These old people behind us are catching us. And I'm embarrassed. They look like they're in their 60s, 70s.
You're in your 60s and 70s.
Stop! I am not!
Flying your 80s.
Stop! That's okay, yeah, that's true.
Bottle one right there.
And there's a Joey with it.
There's a bottle one right there.
Oh yeah. Should we sneak up on these little ones? Oh, they're so cute. They're a little family. Front left is the male. The right is the mother and the baby. So cute.
Mm-hmm.
They're so cute. Oh, I'm good. And here we have some wild kangaroos. Kangaroos. He like whispers a bit, doesn't he?
Does he? I haven't watched a...
It's like, and here we have some kangaroos. Oh, Roo. No, wait.
Joey.
Joey! Oh my god, look at the Joey!
Yeah.
Try and keep it still. Keep it still.
Is she on the camera?
Yes. That was so cute.
Oh, the flies are everywhere in my face.
Yeah, the flies. Oh,
Do you want
so
the camera?
cute. I'm helping you hold it. There are 4 hands holding the camera right now.
And flies all in my face. Is it going into the pouch?
I don't know. It might just be feeding right now a bit.
Maybe.
That's so cute though. Right as Alex stopped filming, he got up and look how beefy he is, boy. He's buff.
Fight me.
Oh, God.
Come on.
I can't see your arms, too zoomed in.
Ah.
He is buff.
He is hanging low.
Oh my God, he's so buff. Okay, let's fuck off. I'm intimidated. Aww. Kissies. They're so cute. Oh my God. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm shaky. Oh.
I'll hold your arm steady now.
Thanks. No, you
make
make it
it
worse. Oh my God, you made it worse. Alright, we'll leave them alone. Oh, you see the puppy. I mean, not puppy. Joey. What is wrong with me?
I don't know.
We're sitting here because Alex is playing Pokemon Go.
No, I'm not.
Exposed.
Silence.
He's playing Pokemon Go.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
So I'm just standing here, you know, while he catches a...
No, I don't catch anything. I was just looking for something, but it's not here. So we can go.
He's wasting time. That's what he's doing.
I wasn't doing anything. No nerds here. Filming.
I'm filming this way. Next to you. They're kind of in. Good job.
Yeah.
God damn it. We are nearly done with the walk, just heading home now. I don't know, might vlog some lunch, but probably not. Probably will just enjoy the rest of my day.
Might take some pictures of lunch and...
Yeah, maybe some pictures at lunch would be nice. Shame I'm just wearing activewear, that kind of sucks.
That's fine. I should really shower. I stink.
You didn't need to tell them that.
No, I stink. You don't. You're fine. I am disgusting.
Aww.
You're a good Pokemon, but you're such a... What is it called?
He's catching the Pokemons.
I don't know what you're talking about.
He's catching Pokemon. Wait, you're standing behind me and you're like... my... Oh my God. Okay. Wait, my camera's facing the wrong way. There we go. Now do it. For fuck's sake.
Oh, you do it in front.
They're tiny!
What?
Yours.
That's my 2 fingers.
Yeah, look, they're tiny.
Oh my God,
tiny ears.
Yeah.
Wait, compare hands. Oh wait, I'm zoomed in. Hang on.
Yeah, point at it. Oh, I caught it. Yay. That's the one.
Oh yeah, you were catching a thing. We've got no light here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fair.
What? My hands are so much chunkier.
Yeah, they're pretty much, they're like a couple centimeters longer too.
They are.
Ignore my nails, guys. I only did them halfway last night.
You're right.
Alright, we're nearly done with the walk. I think it's been pretty fun. It's a little bit chilly now. You can hear the wind has picked up. So I think it's a good time to call it.
I think so. Go get some food.
Get some food! Oh, I'm excited. I don't know what to eat, like a pie or some Mexican food. I want like nacho fries.
Oh, that sounds good.
I love nacho fries. Or we could just get some burgers.
Yeah.
Either one works. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember to stay hydrated, and I'll see you guys on Twitch.
Bye.
You didn't wave at them. Bye.